Good day everyone. I'd like to give an update on the further works that I've done on my project. At the time that I handed in my final industrial project, my project worked. It could show measured parameters on serial monitor, though the Wi-Fi module could not or did not send data on ThinkSpeak. So I did some rectification actions on that aspect. As you can see, it was part of my objective to work on the Wi-Fi connectivity of the system so that data can be accessed wirelessly. I did look at possible faults that could have caused the Wi-Fi module to malfunction, and these included electrical magnetic interference between Arduino Uno and the Wi-Fi module, inadequate current being supplied to the Wi-Fi module, switch bounds, Arduino project code itself, and I did several steps when I was trying to rectify the problem. I powered the Wi-Fi module with different power sources. First, I powered it using a 9-volt battery. Still, it did not respond. I measured the current being supplied to the Wi-Fi module by the battery. I noticed it was 105 milliamp initially, but it kept on decreasing, and the decrease rate was quite very fast. I did not see the blue light lighting on the Wi-Fi module, and then I powered it with a 12 volts 7.2 amp hour meter battery. Then I measured the current. The current was decreasing as well. I only saw a faint blue, extremely faint, extremely dim blue light on the ESP module. I sent add commands on the Wi-Fi module. It did not respond. I did not get an OK. And then I powered it with 3.3 volts from the Arduino. I measured the current coming from the Arduino, and the current was 68 milliamp volts. And I sent add commands to check the status of the Wi-Fi module. I did not get any OK. I desoldered the Wi-Fi module from the VeroBoard. I also suspected that maybe the soldering that I did at the back of the VeroBoard maybe interfered with the operation of the Wi-Fi module. I also included the capacitor on the breaker board of the Wi-Fi module, but still did not respond. This is the faulty Wi-Fi module. It did not even send any blue light, healthy blue light, so I replaced it with ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and I connected to the Arduino Uno as shown in the picture here. I also included a 1000 microfarad capacitor to protect the Wi-Fi module from voltage spikes, and also to ensure a smooth supply of current to the Wi-Fi module. I sent Wi-Fi 8 commands to the Wi-Fi module. I got OK, and I proceeded in connecting the Wi-Fi module to the rest of the circuit. I connected the Wi-Fi module to the breadboard, and this is the ESP8266EX, the LDRs, LM35 temperature sensor, the Arduino, solar panel. I also revised the project code. As you can see, I redefined the RX and TX ports on the Arduino. This is to ensure that smooth sending of data to ThinkSpeak. And I also have my Arduino and the Wi-Fi module connected to my hotspot. You see X60L, and it's connected here, and that's my hotspot X60L. The one that starts with 84 F53, that's for the Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi module, and the E0, that's for my laptop, so that I can connect to ThinkSpeak. I also included the API key so that I can get connected on ThinkSpeak website, and I converted my data to string so that it can be read on ThinkSpeak. I also included the alerts, and just like what I did in the original code. If voltage is too low, the owner or the user is notified. Now let's go to serial monitor. It's already open. I've got the circuit connected already, as I showed you. There. I have problems of internet connection. It's quite inconsistent. So it really takes a lot of time to get results played on ThinkSpeak. But I have results. Currently 17 volts being shown. The temperature sensors. Now let's go on ThinkSpeak website and see the measured values. I'm going to start with the temperature. I started measuring the circuit around past 12 midday, and you can see at that moment the temperature value was 37 degrees Celsius. That is the highest that was recorded is 55, and the lowest thing is 30, and the current one that was being fed at 1428 is 43. And when it comes to LDR, the highest recorded was 900 at 1252, and the lowest 808, and the current one that has been uploaded at 1431 is 887, and this corresponds to the current time 1431. And the UV index, you see there's been some fluctuation. At 1250 the value has been 6, and then it went down to 4, and now it's been 6 ever since. The latest updated value was updated at 1428, and on voltage started off at 17 volts and went down to 16, and then the current one, the updated one, uploaded one at 1429 at 17 volts. This fluctuation is because the weather conditions are also changing. Sometimes it's cloudy and sunny, hence we have all these fluctuations. And as I showed you in my code, I have this API key that enables me to connect to ThinkSpeak. I want to show you the same API key it's working on here. You can see this is the same API key, and I am happy that my project is now working perfectly well, and all the parameters are being shown, in the alerts are also being shown. Thank you so much for watching.